Welcome to Lucidian's Greenville site. This site has 4 main areas of technology: machining, mechanical testing, wear testing, and metallurgy. One of our most common technologies is electronic discharge machining. This allows us to create extremely precise parts, and we even have capabilities like micro laser engraving so that we can label even the smallest parts and make sure every last detail is right. Mechanical testing means that we're evaluating samples to determine the mechanical properties of a material. So this tells us how strong a material is and how it might behave in our clients' applications. The heart of our mechanical testing is our test frames. These machines can pull apart samples, and the data we gather can tell us important things about how the material behaves. One of our mechanical tests is DIC, which stands for Digital Image Correlation. We'll take a part, we might even take something from our wear lab, and we'll paint it so it's all speckly. And those different speckles and spots on the part itself can tell us different things while we're actually applying those mechanical forces and stresses on that part. Our wear department tests orthopedic implants. Behind me, that's actually a simulator. We can put in actual constructs that are the same ones that can go into your body and do thousands of cycles where those constructs are moving just like they would in your body, and we can tell our clients about the behavior of their implants. This data is really important for things like FDA submissions, which allow manufacturers to get their parts approved to go into human bodies. Our metallurgy team focuses on all things metals. Looking at the microstructure and the chemistry of a metal sample can tell us how that material might perform in, say, a nuclear reactor. So we'd be able to tell if that material can stand up to the pressures of a nuclear reactor and supporting all that demand to make projects like fusion possible. Some of the most exciting projects for our scientists are failure analyses. We do failure analysis on all kinds of things, from implants that have failed in the human body and been removed, to rocket ship parts, to broken tools. We'd start with non-destructive testing before we move on to anything like cutting into the sample. A lot of times we can put it into our scanning electron microscope. We can actually look at the surface of a fracture or a broken part, and we can tell where it originated and how it broke. So if it broke really slowly, if it gradually broke apart in a repetitive process, or if it broke all at once and from which direction, just from looking at the surface under an electron microscope. Going beyond determining what happened to cause a part to fail, we can provide material solutions to prevent future failures. One of the most important things about our Greenville site is our ability to support export-controlled and ITAR programs. We're all about materials in Greenville, and we're ready to analyze any material in the most incredible detail.